Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape window won't roll down issue and the potential problems behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A window that will not roll down in the Ford Escape is commonly described as the window not responding to the switch, moving very slowly, stopping partway, or working intermittently. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive data indicate that power window concerns can occur across multiple Ford Escape model years, with relevance depending on door electronics design, window mechanism type, and electrical condition. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves window regulator failure. The regulator mechanism, which controls window movement, can wear or break over time, preventing the window from moving even when the motor operates. Another confirmed cause relates to window motor issues. An aging or failing motor may not generate enough power to move the window, resulting in no movement or very slow operation. Electrical switch or wiring integrity is also a documented factor. Faulty window switches, broken wires in the door harness, or loose connectors can interrupt the command signal to the motor. Window control module or body control module behavior is another verified consideration. Electronic control logic or stored faults can prevent window operation if abnormal signals are detected. Mechanical binding within the window tracks is an additional confirmed aspect. Dirt buildup, misalignment, or worn guides can restrict window movement and cause the system to stop for protection. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include moisture intrusion into door components, recent door repairs affecting alignment, or temperature-related material expansion. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include testing window motor and regulator operation, inspecting switches and wiring, checking control module fault codes, cleaning or realigning window tracks, and replacing worn components when confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and door-specific conditions. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape window operation issues are resolved through regulator or motor replacement rather than electronic module replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, door configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Escape window won't roll down concerns are typically linked to regulator failure, motor issues, electrical switch or wiring problems, control module behavior, or mechanical binding. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.